Financial statement. A financial report is a document or report that describes the financial condition of an entity, such as a company, organization, or individual in a certain period. Financial report usually contain information about revenue, cost, profit, or loss, asset, debt, and equity. The main purpose of financial report is to provide relevant and reliable information to stakeholders such as business owner, investor, creditor, governments, and the general public. Financial report can also be used to measure an entity's financial performance, track cash flow, and make better business decisions. The financial report atau jenis-jenis laporan keuangan. 1. Profit and loss statement atau laporan laba rugi. A profit and loss report is a type of financial report that is used to provide information about the financial performance of a company or business entity over a certain period of time. There are two types of profit and loss report commonly used by business, namely single step and the second is multi-type step. The following is an explanation. Single step profit and loss atau laba rugi single step. A single step income statement is one of the simplest income statement format. In this format, all revenue and expense are grouped in one single group. So there is only one step taken to calculate net profit or loss. The single step income statement format consists of two main parts, namely 1. Revenue. This section lists all the revenue generated by the company during a particular period. This can include sales of product or service, interest on investment, and so on. 2. Costs. This section lists all costs incurred by the company during a certain period, such as raw material costs, labor costs, rental costs, marketing costs, and so on. The following is one-step income statement formula. Penghasilan bersih sama dengan pendapatan ditambah keuntungan dikurang beban ditambah kerugian. Multiple step income statement atau laporan laba rugi multiple step. A multiple step income statement is a form of financial report that presents information about a company's income, cost, profit and loss in a certain period, such as month or year, and multi-type step income statement is distinguished from a single step income statement because it uses several steps or steps in calculating the company's profit or loss. The multi-type step income statement use their different accounting formulas to determine the financial value of net income. The following is the formula for calculating a multi-type step information statement. 1. Laba kotor penjualan bersih barang terjual biaya harga pokok penjualan dikurang penjualan bersih sehingga akan memberikan laba kotor. 2. Pendapatan operasi sama dengan laba kotor dikurang beban operasional. Biaya operasional dikurang dari laba kotor sehingga akan memberi Anda penghasilan operasional. 3. Penghasilan bersih sama dengan penghasilan operasi ditambah item non-operasi. Pendapatan operasional ditambah ke pendapatan non-operasional bersih, keuntungan, beban, dan kerugian. Angka terakhir ini akan memberikan laba bersih atau rugi bersih bisnis untuk periode pelaporan. Cash flow statement atau laporan arus kas. The second type of financial report is a cash flow report based on to invest Topedia page. A cash flow statement is a financial report that shows the inflow and outflow of money from a company during a certain time period. 3. Statement of change in capital atau laporan perubahan modal. Capital change report is a financial report that shows change in a company's capital during a certain period. This report contains information about source of capital, use of capital, net profit, and dividend distribution during the period. Balance sheet report. The balance sheet report is a type of financial report that presents information about the financial position of an entity at a certain time. Balance sheets are typically prepared by companies, non-profit organizations, and other entities that wish to report information about their assets, liabilities, and equity. Notes to financial report atau catatan atas perubahan modal. Notes to financial statement are additional information included in the financial report of a company or organization. Fungsi laporan keuangan bagi bisnis. Laporan keuangan adalah dokumen penting yang memberikan gambaran tentang kondisi keuangan bisnis dalam jangka waktu tertentu. Fungsi laporan keuangan bagi bisnis adalah sebagai berikut. 1. Sebagai alat pengukuran kinerja bisnis. 2. Memudahkan pengembalian keputusan. 3. Sebagai alat untuk memenuhi kewajiban perpajakan. 4. Sebagai alat untuk mendapatkan modal. 5. Sebagai alat untuk memantau arus kas. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.